Hello everyone, welcome back to Candle of the Week with Michael. Yes! Okay guys, so I changed my setup a little bit so I can give you something different to look at, so it's not always the same. So on today's Candle of the Week, guys, I'm gonna be inspired by this beautiful vessel from 1617. This is the Palm Beach Ombre. This is part of the West Coast collection that got released a couple of weeks ago. Okay guys, so I just got inspired by the colors, and this gives me like the inspiration to work on something like bubbly, something like fun, something festive. You know, it's summer is coming, and I decided, guys, that I'm gonna be using these two beautiful scents from scentmemoryfragrance.com: Champagne Cocktail and Crisp Prosecco. Yes, equal parts, guys. Let me read you all about it. Okay, Crisp Prosecco, our interpretation of Antica Farmacista Prosecco. Crisp Prosecco notes, layered with apricot, passion fruit, blackcurrant, top notes of citrus, layered with mugwort. Excellent! The next one is Champagne Cocktail, a Scent Memory Original, a bubbly that will tickle your nose. Yes, it does tickle my nose, that's why I love it. With notes of melon, pear, sparkling wine, freesia, patchouli, and musk. Guys, this is amazing, okay? Oh my goodness, so for this candle, guys, I already did the numbers. We're gonna be needing 8 ounces of total fill, meaning 8 ounces of wax and fragrance oil. Okay, I'm gonna be using a single CDN number 6, okay? And I'm gonna be placing the wick using the wick kit from 1617, okay guys? We're gonna be needing a spatula, a thermometer, Paris cup because I'm gonna be heating up the wax in the microwave, a scale for the wax, glass beaker because I'm gonna be measuring the oils in here, and also a scale for that. And that's about it. Okay, just get started, guys, and I'll be right back. Yes! Okay guys, we are back. So I already measured the fragrance oil. So the measure for this is gonna be 0.4 ounces for Crisp Prosecco and 0.4 ounces for Champagne Cocktail, for a total of 0.8 ounces. And that's what we have in here. And it's out of this world, okay? I already have measuring here 7.2 ounces of number 7 wax, okay, which I'm gonna be putting in the microwave right now. Well, that wax comes into here, guys. I'm gonna wick the vessel. So I'm gonna take some alcohol in here. I'm gonna take a wick sticker, okay? I'm gonna press it really well. And I'm just going to place this. And this is gonna guide me to the center, towards the center to place. Okay, it's right over there, and then I just press it really hard, and that's it. Ta-da! Yes! Okay, let me just put this to the side. Let me just put this candle making worksheet that I'm gonna be putting all the information regarding this candle, because you wanna be able to save this information for future use. Container style is Palm Beach Ombre from 1617. Okay, heat the wax to 220. Add fragrance oil at 210 or more, and pour at 180, between 180 and 185. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, for the numbers, this is very simple, okay? You take the whole total of the candle, which is 8 ounces. You put it on the calculator. 8 times 0.10, which is 10%. For 10% fragrance load, you're going to be needing 0.8 ounces. Okay, guys? So then all you do is just take 8 minus 0.8 equals 7.2. Okay? Very easy. Okay. Now, this is going to be very hot, so make sure you wear your oven mitten, guys, because you're gonna get burned, okay? Let's check the temperature for this. Okay, it's 246, it's too hot. So it's good, because now what we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna introduce the spatula and I'm just gonna move it, okay? Okay, 220. So let me just put the fragrance oil. That's gonna bring it even down even more. Oh my god, guys, the smell is amazing! Amazing! Yes! I highly recommend you make this mix, guys, because you're gonna love this. It smells so happy. You know, it's how I can describe it. Okay, it's 206. So I'm just gonna, oh my god, guys, I wish you could smell this. It's really, truly a work of art. Okay, so I'm just gonna let it rest. And I'll bring her back once it comes to temperature, okay guys? The moment has come to pour the candle. Okay, 179, perfect. Let me just pour the candle, slow and steady. Wins the race. Come on, beautiful Palm Beach. Come on. Yes! Oh my god, it's beautiful. It's a beauty, guys. I'm gonna wait until this solidifies, guys, and I'm gonna give you my final thought. Yes! Hi guys, we go back to the end of the video. Let me present to you the beautiful Palm Beach candle. Look at how beautiful, guys. The color of this vessel is beautiful. And look at the finish of the wax. I'm telling you guys, the city is amazing. These are the stars of the show, the crisp prosecco and champagne cocktail from scentmemoryfragrance.com. Yes, equal parts. Okay guys, so I'm gonna link all the products that I use for this video down on the description box below, guys. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Give a like to the video, guys, and don't forget to visit my website, guys, candleromance.shop, so you can purchase all my beautiful candles. Okay guys, until the next video, guys, be well. I love you. Take care of yourself. Bye. Yeah.